This is real hiking right here. We make our own trail. We're just going our own path. And we're going up and down into the wood, climb over the tree, duck down under the tree. All right, we're going up.
Go back.
Come here, Ann. Come and take a... All right, all right.
Oh,
Go on.
wow, it's really mad. Oh, wait.
She made it, good.
Yeah.
Three of us. Five came. Okay.
Trying to analyze how we can come from here all the way there to go up back to the car. We're testing our limit.
Anthony and Zach, they are under the waterfall and it's flying back. Go deeper, go. Okay, and it's swimming forward back. And we have two cheers.